What's up, everybody? Dr. Courtney here. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today's gonna be a quick video, but it's gonna be a simple video because a lot of people have been asking how do you use your aligner cleansing and whitening foam? What is whitening foam? Why would I want to use it? And how do I use it? Aligner foam is something that you can use in your Invisalign clear aligners, in your final clear retainers when you're done, or even if you have other aligners, Spark aligners, other companies. And so basically the whole point of this aligner foam is it contains a little bit of hydrogen peroxide, which is the active ingredient for teeth whitening, and a little bit of toothpaste as well. And what's great about this is a safe and easy way to whiten your teeth while you sleep and keep those aligners nice and bright, or retainers nice and bright while you sleep as well. So how do you do it? 3 easy steps. Step 0, remove the cap. Step 2, take some foam and pump it into the back part of your aligner. And you can use the nozzle to spread it all the way across, or you could also pump a little bit on the other side, but you pump it and kind of spread it in the aligner or the retainer using the nozzle. Then what you'll do is you'll pop it in your mouth, and then spit out the excess. Sorry, that's all I got near me. You're gonna wanna do that for the upper, and you're gonna wanna do that for the lower as well. So a little goes a long way. That's like really all you need. Even this is like a little bit much, because again, you're gonna spit out the excess. But you wanna spread it, put it in, and then spit out the excess. Now, what's so great about this is it's minty, so it tastes good. 2, you don't have to remove it. You can leave it, it's gonna gently and safely whiten. Other products might be too strong out there. Like you cannot go to sleep with whitening gel anymore these days because that's actually gonna dehydrate your teeth. So what's great about this is gonna safely whiten your teeth and not dehydrate them. But the other great thing is, can you use the Smile Pop Aligner Cleansing and Whitening Foam if you have attachments? You bet your bottom dollar you can. So what they say, I don't know. You bet your ass. Can I say yes? The answer is yes. You definitely can use this aligner foam while you have attachments. Because to be honest, I have some patients who come in, I'm like, dude, your teeth are so white. How many times a day are you brushing? And they say, I'm using your aligner foam at nighttime. Yeah, it works. Studies are coming out that show chemical cleansers, like a foam, is much more effective at keeping the aligners bright and clean as compared to those little tablets, or as compared to just brushing with toothpaste and water. To the Smile Pop Aligner Cleansing and Whitening Foam, it's super awesome. There's other brands out there. I just obviously created this one, so I love this one, and I personally use this one. Now, how many uses can you get out of this? If you're doing this morning and nighttime, which I don't really recommend, do it at nighttime. This is at least a 30-day supplies. It depends on how quick your trigger finger is. Use the whitening foam. It's super great. It's got cute packaging. That's just, the packaging and stuff is not even as important, but let me tell you, it's cute, it's effective, and it works. And it's simple. We're all busy. We all want to keep our teeth white. We all want to keep our attachments clean. We all want to keep our retainers fresh. We all want to keep our aligners clean. This is one easy way to do it. Just pump it in your trays at nighttime, spit out the excess, sleep, have sweet dreams of straight white teeth. That's all you gotta do. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. As I like to tell everyone, go on and share your smile with the world. Oh, I'm from Chicago, okay? I may live in New York, but I'm from Chicago. I'm repping the Chicago Bears today.